Hey guys, and welcome to day 3 of my little mini Inktober series. I hope you guys enjoyed the last couple episodes. They were definitely a bit harder for me to make just because the voiceover had to not sound like trash. So yeah, they were a bit harder to make, and I was nervous about the content and worried I might offend someone or whatever. But so far so good, and they're actually doing pretty well. So yeah. I hope you guys like them. This one's not gonna have a super amount, I guess, of serious business voiceover talk. I have been thinking about it all week, just what I could talk about, and nothing strikes me immediately like the last two subjects did. So I'm just gonna talk about this drawing, which is just like a true ink wash, I guess, with just black ink, which was very fun. I felt like the other two were lacking, even though that's exactly what I was going for. I just wanted the outlines and some kind of cool thing in the background, I guess, just to make it look different and unique or whatever. Yeah, I don't know. I was worried that because they're kind of in the middle of a finished drawing, and they take more time than just a sketchbook Sunday video, but they don't take as much time as a Wednesday video, so I was kind of worried if I went too extravagant with them that I would burn out and hate it halfway through. But that's not the case. I said I wasn't going to do Inktober, but I've been subconsciously doing it. I keep seeing Inktober stuff and it makes me want to draw, so I've been really filling out my sketchbook this month, which is nice. It's always nice to get a sketchbook filled because, I don't know, it just feels like you've accomplished something big, because yeah, you can, I don't know, it's just nice. Sometimes some people fill them up real quick and some people fill them up real slow. I feel like I'm average to quick. I don't spend a whole lot of time finessing each page. I just use it to scribble. Which is why I probably won't do sketchbook tours, just because I feel I don't know, I feel like there's a pressure in the back of my mind to make sure my sketchbook looks cool, if I'm thinking about doing a tour, but, don't know, I don't really want to pressure myself when I'm just trying to, chill, although this one is turning out well because it's mixed media paper, so I've been using, watercolor in it and stuff. Not super seriously, like I mentioned before, traditional media is more of a chill thing for me, but yeah, it's just fun to know that you can scribble with watercolors, because I have one of those brushes that holds the water. So it doesn't even, I literally just have to grab my, pans and this sketchbook, and that's it. I just have a paper towel at my desk all the time. Alright, but yeah, I guess I'll just talk a little bit about the picture, just because I don't have a super solid art subject to talk about. But basically it's just kind of a little, quick self-portrait. So there's this YouTuber called Exploring with Josh, and I love his videos. There's nothing I get more excited about than when an Exploring with Josh video pops up, just because he does urban exploring and stuff, but he talks about the history of the buildings, and he doesn't trash stuff, which, I don't know, it's just it's rad. He's just cool, and a genuinely nice dude, it seems from his videos. So he has good equipment and all that, so it's really pleasing to look at and to listen to him talk, and there's good audio, good video, and he's a good photographer, so you follow him on all your social media and you just get sprinkles of quality content. But I think the company was called Fanjoy. I don't know, there was everyone was doing merch through this one place, but the merch was so expensive. I wasn't super, well, I mean, it's expensive to me. I don't think that, because I've seen more expensive hoodies before. But I'm used to more of a $40. A hoodie to me is $40, $50, good. But I don't own any insanely good quality hoodies. So anyway, I saw the price. It was upsetting because I really, really liked that hoodie, but I just wasn't ready to shell out $70. For just a hoodie. It's just the thought, imagine you're brushing your teeth or painting. imagine you get something on there and you can't get it off, or like, what if you get a hole in it, or you I don't know. It's all, honestly, I was talking to one of my friends, and like, it's obviously like it's a good hoodie. Like, she's bought expensive hoodies and she's like, it was worth it. Like, I've been wearing them for 3 years or whatever. Like, it's fine. So yeah, that's essentially what was this. Me and this hoodie have like a story. So anyway, the Fanjoy stuff passed and he didn't restock. But he started his own like clothing line, and the sweaters came back, and you know, again, they were really expensive, and I was like, oh man, I really want that hoodie, but like, I don't want to shell out $70. But then like, he dropped a restock, and I almost bought one. I'm like, oh man, I want one. So I went to the page and they were sold out, and ever since then I've been like, fuck, like, what if I wasted this last opportunity? What if he doesn't restock? Like, I really want this hoodie. So today, you know, it's the 10th, October 10th today as I record this, and he did a restock, and I was like, fuck it, like, I'm gonna buy it. I literally timed everything I was doing at work so that at noon I would just be able to drop everything so I could go and buy that hoodie, and like, by the time I finished checking out, like, they were sold out again. So yeah, I got my hoodie. It's probably gonna be the most expensive item of clothing that I own, aside from like, I have Lululemon leggings, but like, I got those for my sister, so I didn't buy them. Those are, I feel like she probably bought those for like $90, so I don't know. Okay, the hoodie's even more expensive than that with the shipping, but it's okay. I finally have this hoodie. I've been like thinking about it ever since that Fanco or Fanjoy or whatever. It's just a really cool hoodie. I got it in yellow, and you'll see in the video, I like went and like made the kanji and stuff. Like, I outlined it with pencil so it wouldn't show, but so I could see where I should avoid painting, and like, I still painted right over the right arm stuff. So yeah, I went back over it with this gold gel pen that I haven't used in a million years, just because I haven't really been drawing traditionally lately. And yeah, I think it turned out pretty neat. It's just, the background's just like a vague attempt at like the graffiti that is in the background, where his model is like, well, it's him, I guess. He's posing with one of the sweaters. Yeah, this was just like a zen thing to work on. I'm just very excited for this sweater, guys. Like, it seems like the stupidest, smallest thing, but I can't wait for it to come in the mail. I feel like I'll live in that sweater. It just looks like a cozy, thick, warm, like, oh, thank God, like, just right on time. It's October. It's gonna start getting cold. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoy the simpler voiceover, but I don't know. I feel like at least when I have a story to tell, it's better than like just sitting here and randomly talking. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this little series. I'm certainly enjoying it. Still trying to fiddle with the camera settings and stuff to get everything to look good, because I think there's still like scan lines, but you know, we're chugging through those. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday.